Having the right car vacuum cleaner can completely change your whole experience. In this video today, I'm going to show the top 3 best car vacuum cleaner in 2024. Based on my research and personal testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3. The eufy by Anker Clean HomeVac H20, a game changer in the world of car vacuum cleaners. Plus, we've got a bonus for you, the HomeVac replacement filter kit. So let's get started. Right out of the box, the HomeVac H20 impresses with its sleek design and compact form. It's ultra lightweight at just 1.44 pounds, making it a perfect companion for those quick cleanups. And the bonus filter kit, a thoughtful addition for long-term maintenance. Now let's talk power. The H20 boasts a strong 40 suction, promising to tackle messes in a single sweep. Whether it's crumbs or dirt, this little beast doesn't shy away from a challenge, ensuring your car's interior is spotless. One of the coolest features, the fast car charging. Just an hour plugged in gives you a solid 30 minutes of cleaning time. That's efficiency at its best, ensuring you're always ready for a quick spruce up. The H20 comes with customized attachments tailored for your car. The built-in retractable tool, extension hose, and brush head reach every nook and cranny, leaving no spot untouched. It's like having a professional car detailer at your fingertips. Everything about the H20 screams convenience. The storage bag keeps all your accessories organized and within reach, making it a breeze to find what you need when you need it. And the fact that it's chargeable at home, just the cherry on top. Overall, the eufy HomeVac H20 is a must-have for any car owner. It's powerful, convenient, and comes with everything you need for a pristine car interior. And when you bundle it with the replacement filters, you're not just buying a vacuum, you're investing in the longevity of your vehicle's cleanliness. Don't miss out on this deal. Number 2. The RYOBI 1 Plus 18 volts Cordless Performance Hand Vacuum. It's not just any vacuum, it's a cordless wonder that promises to make cleaning a breeze. Let's dive in. Boldly going where no vacuum has gone before, this RYOBI 1 Plus model comes with a variety of accessories to tackle any mess. Whether it's dust bunnies under the couch or crumbs in the car, this vacuum's got you covered. 2x more suction power. That's the promise of this handheld dynamo. It's designed to pick up debris fast and efficiently, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying a spotless home. With its sleek design, this vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a statement piece. The ergonomic build means your hand won't tire even after a full house cleanup. It's the perfect blend of form and function. The dust cup is a dream to empty, just a quick release and you're done. No mess, no fuss, and you're ready to go again. It's convenience at its best, making the dreaded task of emptying the vacuum something you might even look forward to. A dual filter system keeps this vacuum running at peak performance. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that every use is as effective as the first. Say goodbye to reduced suction and hello to consistent cleaning power. Overall, the RYOBI 1 Plus 18 volts Cordless Performance Hand Vacuum is a powerhouse in a petite package. It's versatile, powerful, and user-friendly, making it an essential tool for any clean freak or busy bee. With the added convenience of a 2.0 battery and charger, this kit is a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning game. Happy vacuuming. Number 1. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's here to make your cleaning sessions a walk in the park. So, let's not waste any dust particles and jump right in. This dustbuster isn't just any vacuum, it's a 20 volts max lithium-ion powered marvel. Designed for both your home and car, it promises to make dirt and debris a thing of the past. Get ready to experience cleaning like never before. Ever struggled with those pesky corners? Worry no more. The extended built-in crevice tool is here to rescue you from all the hard-to-reach spaces. It's like having an extendable arm that leaves no corner uncleaned. Whether it's a quick dry spill or a stubborn mess, the 2-speed cleaning option has got you covered. And with the Power Boost mode, a simple button press unleashes extra power to tackle even the biggest of messes. Say goodbye to constant emptying with the extra-large 75 ml dustbin. It's designed for extended cleans, so you can keep going without interruption. More cleaning, less emptying. That's the way we like it. With up to 35 Ah of suction power, this dustbuster turns you into a cleaning superhero. It's not just about the power, it's about the freedom to whisk away dirt anytime, anywhere. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus is a powerhouse of a handheld vacuum. It's cordless, it's convenient, and it's got the power you need to keep your spaces immaculately clean. So if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning arsenal, this dustbuster is a solid choice. Happy cleaning. So these are the top 3 best car vacuum cleaner for 2024 according to me. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments below which fitness tracker you like the most, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.